Oh. Can you say thank you, Grandma? Thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Grandma.
Dada.
She's whispering to
Oh. Dada. Dada.
We can read this one at nighttime because it glows in the dark. Chapters.
You want her over there, Jess?
Where's the kitty? You see the kitty? There's the kitty. Where's the puppy? Where's the apples? The apples in a bucket?